Hello, guys, and hello, world. A couple of videos, or if no. Hello, guys, and hello, world. So, before I showed you Certina with the caliber 321, I did a troubleshooting with that one. At the beginning, I thought it was the pallet fork, which had problems and all of that, but at the end the problem were at the balance. So this is the one that has the balance from another watch, which was a scrap watch. So the balance is still not working, and I will have to bend that to fix it. But to fix the balance, actually you need special tweezers and of course a lot of experience, which I do not have yet. So I have to make some practicing before I can fix it. However, just recently, and this one came into my workshop. It is another Certina with the same caliber, 321, and I will just show you a close look of it. So I will fix a new glass for this one, and this one has a problem with the spring. So that one is most likely damaged. It's broken. So my idea here is to replace the movement in this one. I have the other one as before, you might remember. Here it is. So I will take the movement of this because it's clean and ready to use, and place it in this one, and use this balance, of course, also in order to make this one to work. So that is what I will do now. It's gonna be a little bit work with that, of course. This is the one that looks like that. So I will just open this up. Probably will need to, of course, clean this one before I will place the other one there. It's gonna be a project, another project of all my projects. So I just take a look here. It's really dirty. So yeah, let's see. Most convenient would, of course, be at the moment just fix the spring in the barrel, but I can't fix that at the moment. So let's see this one. Yeah, here we go. Okay. No, still stuck. So it's basically still stuck there, so we just have to whoops, there you go, careful. So let's see if I can remove this one. Oh, still stuck. Maybe we have to should be no, maybe it's this one. We have to release that one. Sometimes this keeps this one, of course, but weird. It's not this one. See if I can just pick it up now like that or not. Sometimes this feels very stuck. It shouldn't be like that. It's really dirty as well. We'll fix this. Right. So I couldn't really open it, so I had to remove the barrel bridge and take it out in another way. And I found just water, as you see. It's rust. Wow. Not good, but that is how it is. Need to fix that. So I will remove everything and yeah, check it out. So I removed the barrel bridge, the balance. This is not the way I would like to open it. This one. So you can see it's still wet there, so it has really issues there. We have to fix that. Let's see, I would like to here are some screws as well at the sides. Let's see what we can do with them. Or is it screws? I think. I don't know. Yeah. We'll continue. So basically, I had to remove the crown in order to release it because it was impossible. And in order to do that, I actually used one of my Dumonts here. So I hold that one very hard and precise while I screwed this one out, the crown, and when it was out, I could actually lift up this one because it was attached, of course, to the crown, making it difficult. But now it seems like I have control here now, so we'll continue the work. So I finally managed to remove everything, and the problem were, of course, in the keyless works. This one was attached to the winding stem, and it was really hard, so for that reason it was stuck. I couldn't really take this out. As you see, I think this one has had issues with water ingress in combination with the oil there. It has been a problem here. As you see, I have cleaned a little bit here to remove all of this. Like much like this. I really need to change gloves after this and clean all of the equipment around here, because it kind of got dirty here. But we're getting there, as you see. There you go. So I open this one up so I could show you. And as you see, the spring is broken. And this is why it did not work in this watch. And of course, a combination with dirt, water, and oil, old oil and all of that. So I just open this up to show you, and opening this up means you need to wear protective eyeglasses, as I am doing at the moment. In case this one pops out, it can be dangerous for the eyes, so always remember to use safety glasses. Yeah, so here it broke. I just place this one again, and in the future I will change this one. I will buy a new spring for it. But not now. Here we go.